Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the stolen device protection and what it does on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So, to get to the setting, you want to open settings, then swipe down a little bit, go to the Face ID and passcode, type your passcode here because you're going to be asked for it. Then swipe down a little bit and here you're going to find the stolen device protection. So click on that one and from the factory it is just set to off. So what it does, it makes some delay in some actions like changing the Apple ID on your device. So if someone stole your device and it was unlocked and know your password, so if they want to change Apple ID, the authentication is going to be required after 1 hour. So it's like another player of protection. So as you can see right now, because I have turned it on earlier, even if I want to turn this feature off, as you can see the security delay will last for 1 hour and then you can start a security delay. It is also going to be the same if someone wants to change the Apple ID, and also if you're using the like a wallet or Apple Pay, only you are going to be able to use it with your Face ID, and like you cannot use it only with the passcode or the Apple ID password. Only with the Face ID you are going to be able to use those features. So this is what does the stolen device protection. You can also click here, learn more, to read about it, everything. So also if you require security delay, so you can select away from familiar locations or always. So as you can see, you have these two options here. Familiar locations means home, work, or just as you can see right here. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.